In a room filled with high-quality weapons neatly arranged, a briefcase full of money sits on the table.
Wow!
Outside, the giant Roll is standing guard. In the distance, the female assassin Rose is admiring some beautiful flowers. Suddenly, two robbers appear sneaking around outside the assassin's base. They observe Roll guarding the entrance.
Let's see. Hi.
The two robbers split up to take action. One of the robbers notices a tree full of fruit. He picks one and tries it only to find it very sour. The other robber is cautiously approaching Roll, moving carefully. Meanwhile, the other robber is moving toward Rose. Seeing that she's distracted, he makes a dash for it. The robber, noticing that Roll isn't paying attention, runs to the door and tries to open it. But no matter what he does, the door won't budge. Roll suddenly turns around and sees the robber struggling with the door.
Hey, I'm sorry.
He growls, scaring the robber, who tries to run but can't escape.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The robber is now pinned down by the giant Roll, who begins to brutally torture him.
Fucking me.
Hearing the commotion, the other robber runs to rescue his partner.
You. Hey, come on. Okay.
The robber strikes Roll with a stick, but it has no effect.
Sorry.
He then hits Roll on the head. Roll, unable to take it anymore, stands up angrily and shows his ferocity to the robber. The other robber, still not giving up, uses a vicious trick against Roll, causing him pain. Seeing this, the first robber hits Roll on the head again, knocking him out.
Okay.
The two robbers gleefully approach the door, open it, and enter the room.
Okay, come on.
The robbers are thrilled as they look at the weapons before them. They approach the briefcase and savor the smell of the money. Without wasting any time, the two robbers take the weapons and the briefcase and leave.
Let go.
It's a hot day, and Rose feels thirsty. She quickly heads inside and finds Roll sitting dazed.
Bobby! Hey, what happened?
Roll points inside where the robbers are stealing the weapons. Rose rushes in and discovers that both the weapons and the briefcase are gone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rose bursts into tears. She notices that the thieves left only 2 bills on the table, one of which is damaged. Rose continues crying, but then her face turns from sadness to anger. Rose grabs a weapon, determined to take revenge. The two robbers carrying the weapons and the briefcase happily return to their base.
Yeah, very good.
Rose runs off searching for the thieves. Rose spots the 2 robbers with their stolen weapons and briefcase. Enraged, she quickly gives chase. The boss Eggman is enjoying himself by playing with fish. But feeling bored, he decides to go upstairs to relax. The two robbers carrying the weapons approach Exigman.
Bisa. Beautiful gun.
Hey, weapon.
He is pleased to see them and praises their work.
Sukit. Bot, sukit.
Very good.
Nothing. Yeah.
Excited, Sickman tosses each of the robbers a stack of money. Rose slowly approaches, watching the scene.
Good.
Yeah, sir.
Hey, very good.
Beautiful gun.
Oh, yeah, beautiful gun. Come on.
Rose steps out and fires at Sickman and the two robbers. The boss orders his men to grab their weapons and return fire.
Fire!
Sickman grabs the briefcase and quickly runs away, while the two robbers continue firing wildly at Rose. Rose charges in and kills one of the robbers. The other terrified flees. Rose doesn't give up and continues pursuing him. The robber suddenly jumps out and shoots at Rose. But she quickly fires back, scaring him off again. Rose stops, takes aim, and shoots the robber dead. Sickman, hiding behind a door, watches everything unfold. Rose moves upstairs and eventually finds the boss. Sickman charges out firing, but Rose is quicker and wounds him badly. She approaches him and fires again. Fearful, Sickman offers the briefcase back to Rose. She takes it and leaves.
Damn you!
But Sickman, not giving up, is shot dead by Rose immediately after.